This is our top tier gaming package for gamers who love playing games all the time and like to escape into a new reality. This gaming package is our most powerful gaming PC as it allows for very high quality and effortless gaming. This could be done for games such as Call of Duty and high demanding single player games like Doom and Tomb Raider. It is specifically designed by gaming PC experts to withstand constant gaming. It has an RTX 2080 graphics card to allow for VR capabilities. If you're really looking to push your system and play all games at the highest settings, then the RTX 2080 will complement this perfectly. It has a Ryzen 9 12-core processor. This will allow you to have several programs open and running for listening to music, talking to friends and gaming all simultaneously. This PC is relatively large, so we'll need a larger desk space or space under the desk than usual. All packages come with upgradable options to become bespoke to your requirements and become specific to your needs.